Mino and friends are here today. Come and laugh and sing and play. Popo, Ishu, Abby, Toto, Golu too.
Good morning, little friends. Welcome to Lumimo's Happy Kitchen. Hi, friends. Let's bake together.
First, clean your hands, friends. Now we're ready. Are you ready? Let's go and bake. First, we need all the baking ingredients. We need soft flour, fresh eggs, creamy milk, sugar, butter, and vanilla. Great job! Everything is ready. We have everything. Now it's time to mix all the yummy ingredients together. Let's stir it gently, round and round.
Mix, mix, round we go. Nice and gentle, soft and slow. More milk and eggs so sweet, making something good to eat. Stir it left, stir it right. Everything is looking bright. Mix together, 1, 2, 3. Rainbow cake for you and me.
Let's make a rainbow. Can you say the colors with us? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, purple. Ready, Popo? Let's bake our rainbow cake. 3, 2, 1.
Bake, little cake, growing with each smile we make. Warm and fluffy, sweet and bright, getting ready for tonight.
Wow! Wow! It's beautiful! Golu will love it! It's perfect! We did it! It's perfect! I can't wait to see Golu smile! She's gonna love our rainbow cake.
Step by step, here we go, walking where the flowers grow. Rainbow cake, all wrapped up tight. Golu's smile will shine so bright.
But Mino and Popo don't notice. Their magical adventure is about to begin. See you in the next adventure.